AI video isn't the problem anymore. The problem is that a lot of AI videos are starting to look exactly the same. So what if, instead of another talking avatar or generic cinematic clip, you could create tiny characters, giant objects, and entire miniature worlds designed to make people stop scrolling? That's where MiniVerse AI gets interesting. Quick disclosure before we start, this is an affiliate review, which means I may earn a commission if you purchase through my link, at no extra cost to you. Now, here's the real question. Is MiniVerse AI actually useful, or is it just another AI tool with a flashy sales page? Let's break it down. The first thing that makes MiniVerse AI different is its specialization. It's built around miniature-style AI video content. Think tiny workers building around a giant coffee cup. Miniature characters operating inside massive environments. Tiny construction crews, fantasy scenes, miniature cities, unusual stories, and cinematic worlds. And that matters because the visual concept itself creates curiosity. Someone scrolling through hundreds of ordinary AI videos may ignore another generic clip. But a miniature world with tiny characters interacting with something enormous, that can immediately create a reason to watch. According to the sales page, you can start with an idea, keyword, prompt, or script, and MiniVerse AI is designed to turn that concept into a miniature video. The platform also advertises AI-generated characters, environments, giant objects, animation, cinematic scenes, AI voices, and multilingual content. There's also an AI script writing feature designed to help generate story ideas, hooks, and scenes. So the appeal isn't simply, AI makes a video. The bigger appeal is, you're getting a specific content format you can build around. And that's where I think creators should pay attention. If you're building a faceless YouTube Shorts channel, you could use miniature storytelling as your visual identity. If you create TikToks or Reels, you could experiment with unusual short-form concepts. If you're a freelancer or agency, miniature videos could potentially become a creative service for clients. And if you're a marketer, this kind of visual storytelling could give you another way to present products or ideas. But let's talk about the part that matters before you spend anything. MiniVerse AI does not remove the need for creativity. A tool can help generate visuals, but it cannot guarantee that your concept will be interesting. You still need strong hooks, good storytelling, smart prompts, and sometimes additional editing. So if you're looking for a magic button that guarantees viral videos or guaranteed income, this isn't how I would evaluate the product. Instead, ask yourself, does this give me a content format I can actually use? If the answer is yes, the tool becomes much more interesting. Now let's look at the current offer. At the time of this review, the MiniVerse AI sales page advertises a $16.97 one-time payment, with lifetime access, commercial licensing, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Because pricing and promotions can change, verify the current offer and terms before purchasing. So, my verdict. I wouldn't recommend MiniVerse AI simply because it's another AI video tool. I'd consider it because it has a specific visual angle. If you want generic AI videos, there are plenty of alternatives. But if you want miniature worlds, tiny characters, giant object scenes, and a potentially distinctive format for faceless content, that's where MiniVerse AI makes the strongest case. And for the right creator, that difference could be much more valuable than simply having another AI video generator. I've put the current offer link below so you can check out MiniVerse AI and decide whether it fits your content strategy. Just remember, buy the tool for the capability it provides, not for income promises. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.